Mail delivery for Metro Detroiters has been getting back to normal after major delays at the start of the pandemic, but now postal workers are warning a possible slowdown could occur. The reason? They say postal employees aren't being told when their co-workers are testing positive for COVID, allowing the virus to spread inside their facilities. 7 investigator Heather Catalo with more on this tonight.
After months and months of long lines at postal facilities and countless mail delays,
it makes me feel angry.
Mail deliveries had mostly been getting back on track. But now COVID-19 is crushing the ranks of the U.S. Postal Service once again.
We're really having a problem with this surge.
Keith Combs is the president of the American Postal Workers Union Detroit area local. He says postal workers are getting sick in record numbers, but often because they're not told if they were in close contact with a coworker who tested positive for COVID-19.
I'm getting way too many calls that people are saying that they have worked with a person that they didn't know was positive, but the person is off for a number of days and then they get sick, but no one told them.
Combs says he's been emailing and calling managers for 2 weeks to ask about the lack of contact tracing, but says no one has been answering questions. Combs also says employees can't get through to supervisors to report positive COVID cases.
Every number they call, they're getting no one. There's some stations that have had 8 positives in a day. 10 positives in a day, 4 positives in a day, and it just goes on and on.
A USPS spokeswoman said they have an extensive COVID-19 mitigation program and told us in a statement the Postal Service uses a robust contact tracing protocol to identify and quarantine close contacts. Combs says some of the hardest hit locations include the Detroit Network Distribution Center in Allen Park, the main Detroit Post Office on Fort Street, Livernois Station, Fox Creek Station, and College Park Station. The Detroit Health Department confirmed to us their investigators responded to a complaint about a lack of COVID-19 protocols at the College Park location. In a statement, Chief Epidemiologist Dr. Randy David said contact tracing is an integral part of infection prevention as a means of slowing the transmission of any communicable disease. The Detroit Health Department provides guidance and support to businesses, schools, congregate living facilities, and the general public. Combs says he's just worried about the safety of his workers and the reliability of mail delivery for all of us.
The spreading is so bad that I think it's going to really have a negative effect on the Postal Service.
After the 7 investigators reached out to the Postal Service about the alleged lack of contact tracing, union officials say their bosses asked for a meeting to address this. Meanwhile, health department officials say anyone who's concerned about an employer not following COVID-19 protocols should reach out to the health department or to the state. I'm Heather Catalo, 7 Action News.